Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to set a non-verification level on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click here, now click settings, and now click moderation. Here as you see you will find none, click on it and it will be activated, and that's how to set non-verification level on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. It's helpful for you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.